Hello, IMG community. Hello, everyone. This is Coach Connie Osorio, and for this particular video, we will learn how to use the 30-day fast start checklist here in IMG. If you're a new member, if you're a leader or a new member who wish to be big in IMG, you need to make this a habit every 30 days. So again, if you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share sa lahat ng ating members sa community na matutulungan ng video na ito. Okay? So let's start. Ito po ang ating itsura or yung mismong content ng ating 30 days fast start checklist. Okay? Para saan po itong checklist natin? So sabi sa 30 days. So, 1 month checklist po natin ito. Yun ang duration. And you will use this as your guide. What's next? As your guide to answer the question, what is next? After I join IMG, after I start owning my savings plan or investment, what's next? What is in store for me after that? Okay? So, idadissect po natin para mas matutunan natin paano siya gamitin. And mas maganda gawin natin siyang habit. So, after the duration of 30 days, mas maganda gawin natin uli siya for the next 30 days pa rin. Okay? And we will also be sharing the same experience, the same checklist to all the team members that we will be bringing here in our IMG community. Okay? So, ayan, napaka-basic. Ano po? For a start, we need your name, your member's name, the date joined. So, parang nagkakaroon tayo ng journal, di ba? Kung i-collect or ifa-file natin itong mga unang 30-day fast start checklist natin. So, for this particular information, this is my son who just joined us noong May 31, 2021. Of course, ako po yung nanay, yung inviter niya at ang SMD niya. And for his first checklist, I chose to start with the entire month of June. So June 1 to 30, 2021. And let me also share with you his big why he decided to be part of our community. He said, so that I could continue my mother's example and help others to become financially literate individuals. Very touching. Big why from my son. So I asked him to write down his first investment here or his own savings plan. So for Kaiser, he got the lowest plan for his age, the same month. And of course, since IMG member has automatic shares in Soldivo funds, he wrote there 1,471 shares, the exact number of shares for his 1,000 startup. Okay, so ayan, lagay natin dyan para mas makita natin yung journey natin sa IMG. Okay, so let me also highlight before we proceed to the checklist itself, yung goal mo. So ano ba talaga yung goal mo for the next 30 days after you join or after you renew your membership? If you are members po na nagbabalik, nare-reborn, okay? So, mas maganda, ano yung goal mo for that particular month, for June 1 to 30 in this particular checklist. So, sabi dito, pwede mong i-goal na be an MD or do the 5-5 30 days, okay? And don't forget, may instruction dyan, paano ba siya gagawin? For every item, ang kailangan lang po natin is to shade the point you have accomplished every day. If you will see here, example po sa share list, we have the number of days 1 to 30. Ayan, ang unang-unang item sa ating checklist is the share list. Okay? Meaning, meron tayong bibilangin talaga kung ilan na ba yung share list or prospect list mo. Okay? So, we will just need to shade every accomplishment that you have done for this checklist. So in this case, for example, from first day to the third day, my son was able to write down 6 names as his part of the checklist, and then he was able to join our membership orientation 3 times in the span of 9 days. So yan, sinishade niya. And then for the first 3 days, he was able to bring in 3 guests in our Zoom membership orientation, something like that. Okay? So isa-isahin natin. Let's dissect before we go on doon sa mga susunod na items natin. Kasi baka mamaya hindi natin naintindihan per item. Okay? So tingnan natin yung share list. When we say share list, we're talking about one of the mentalities or one of the cornerstones of our IMG system. We have share list mentality, approach, presentation, and follow-up mentality. And very important po dyan yung share list natin because that is the first cornerstone. We cannot approach, present, or follow up someone if that person is not included in our share list. And when we say share list, we're talking about prospect list. Yes, magpo-prospect tayo if you want to do the business. Okay? If you would like to care for people at gusto mong i-share yung natutunan mo mismo or nasimulan mo dito sa IMG. That could be your fortune list. We also can use the term campaign list, care list, but for me, love list is the best term for our share list. So those are the list of people who may or may not join you. So wag mong piliin. Baka mamaya inilalagay mo lang sa love list or share list mo yung sa tingin mo. Ginajudge mo na yung tao na baka ito possible na mag-join. So don't look at that perception. Kung naiisip mong baka hindi mag-join, lagay mo pa rin. Kasama pa rin siya sa share list or love list mo. For all the people you care and love, ilagay mo siya. That is the list of people who may or may not buy from you. Again, this is not benta-benta, but they might be able to start the same savings plan, the same investment that you have started here in IMG. So again, huwag mong i-judge. Lahat ng nasa isip mo, lahat ng naiisip mo na pwede nating tulungan, ilagay mo dyan sa yung share list. And when we say share list or love list, you should target at least a minimum of 100 names. So nakita natin dun sa share list natin, sa checklist natin na at least 100 names for the first 30 days. That will give you more prospects or more options who to approach, who to present with. And then highlight mo muna, hindi syempre sabay-sabay yan na 100 names na sharean mo. Highlight mo yung top 25 share list first. Okay? 1/4, kumbaga, 1/4 dun sa 100 names, and do the book share and book study. Share with them what you have learned in IMG and then identify the first 10 people you will contact. Okay? So again, parang nafi-filter from 100, the top 25 natin, and the first 10 people. That might be your closest friends or your family for your first 10 people who you will contact for the first 30 days, for the first week, for this month, or something like first 3 days. Okay? Share list is part of the job. If you want to do the business of IMG, you will do it as a daily business routine. Maglagay ng names because that will move you or that will start your business and that will give you the routine to list down who are those people you care about na share natin dito sa IMG. And don't forget to count them in, okay? Because we have this campaign literacy, financial literacy campaign of 30M by 30. We would like to target by the year 2030, 30 million families who are now financially literate. Okay? So, ayan, push the most important button. Ayan. Dapat nilalagay din natin yung share list natin sa ating counter para mapasama siya sa ating mission, sa ating financial literacy campaign. And we also have this part, how to use the counter sa ating mga trainings. Okay? And then we'll move on to Zoom MO. When we say MO, again, that stands for membership orientation. We also call it MOFC, membership orientation and financial coaching. And for TRM family, we have around the clock schedule of MOFC, so we can invite our share list. So dito rin sa ating webinar every 8:30 p.m. regularly from Monday to Saturday, we have 8:30 p.m. Manila time. Meron tayong iba't ibang trainings. And for this particular poster, I was the one who conducted last April 13, 8:30 p.m. Okay. Membership orientation for new IMG member. Okay, so ayan. Zoom guest, of course, no? Yung ating share list, we should be able to bring them in our Zoom MO. So, ilan yung napapa-attend natin? Ilan yung natuturuan natin? So, kailangan po from the share list, nadadala natin sila sa Zoom sa ating membership orientation. Okay? And, in effect, we are now running the system. Dun pa lang sa tatlong items ng share list natin, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng campaigner shirt, itong white shirt natin. So that means you were able to share the book or you were able to invite 10 people in 7 days for your first week, and then you can claim that white campaigner shirt. You're already a certified campaigner here in IMG if you were able to bring in 10 people in 1 week. And if you were able to finish the workshop, ayan, meron din tayong reward, which is the workshop shirt. Kapag na-promote ka, if you hit the 5,530, meron kang blue and green shirt. If you continuously do that, and duplicate, and your team duplicates you, hindi po malabong makuha nyo rin yung SMD long sleeve, yung white natin, to doing the 30-30 in 90 days. Ayan. Of course, going to this pathway to CEO. And at the same time, if you do it regularly, yung ating 5-5-30, you are always qualified to join the Trainer Academy with this amazing jacket with you. Okay, so ang dami nating rewards dito sa IMG. Next item will be NEMO Plus. NEMO stands for New IMG Members Orientation. Ayan, plus, kasi ayan, meron na tayong background about how to do the business, how to push the button, how to be pandemic in the pandemic-proof business that we have. Okay, so mas maganda natitrain din tayo dyan. And you have to count how many times tayo uma-attend ng mga ganitong trainings. Did you also open your portal? Okay, mas mahalaga yan po. So, dapat na-explore natin yung portal natin. Unang-una, alam mo ba paano mag-login? Alam mo ba kung saan mo kinukuha? Or saan nanggaling yung login details mo? So, you have to check your email if you're a new member. Pinapadalan po tayo ng IMG ng ating, of course, the member code is the username, the user ID, of course, and your password. You will be the one na mag-change na lang po ng password natin. Okay? So, dapat alam din natin yung link going to your online member page. Okay? Using your user ID and password. Okay? Meron din po tayo, nasa NEMO natin yan. So, kailangan uma-attend talaga tayo para mas maturuan at mas ma-familiarize tayo with the portal. And then, another item on the checklist is na-like mo ba yung ating IMG Facebook official page? Okay, nabivisit mo ba siya? Nag-i-interact ka ba? How many times? You have to shade that here in our checklist. Of course, ayan, yung ating official Facebook page, ilalike natin siya. Yan, dapat nag-i-interact. So, para mas connected din tayo sa ating community and isama na natin yung ating official YouTube channel for IMG. You need to subscribe and of course, no, pwede nyo i-like and i-share yan sa ating social media. Okay, so don't forget that. Also, the TRM Facebook page. Ayan. Kailangan po nakalagay din tayo or naka-include din tayo doon sa ating community. You can ask your sponsor or your SMD to invite you there in our TRM Facebook page. Next are the most important trainings here in IMG, the Leader's Call, our daily dose of inspiration. So from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m., mas maganda, nagla-log in tayo earlier. Mas maganda rin, nagre-register tayo earlier, okay? Para mapunta tayo doon sa first 1,000 participants, okay? So, wag kalimutan, Leader's Call para mas makapag-bond pa tayo with the community, para mas ma-familiarize pa tayo sa ating community. And ang pinakamahalaga, mas makilala natin ang ating top leaders like our big three, Sir Joe and Sir Bart and Sir Noel. Okay? And then fast start, okay ka na ba sa ating business school program na alam mo na ba yung compensation, alam mo na ba yung paano ka ma-promote. So, dyan natin makukuha sa fast start. At marami rin tayong iba't ibang schedules ng ating business training program. At isa sa pinakamagaling na mentor natin si Sir Arnel Pablo for our fast start class. And of course, yours truly, nagko-conduct din po tayo. And a lot of leaders here in IMG. Okay, i-shade again natin, ilang beses ba yan? Again, bakit ba siya paulit-ulit? Kailangan po talaga natin siyang paulit-ulitin. Ano po? Kasi hindi talaga nagsisink in yan sa isang beses lang. So, to be able to be familiarized or master, kung gusto niyo talagang i-master at matutunan, kasi this is your business, kailangan gawin natin or attenda natin siya ilang beses. Okay, this is also important, our workshop every Saturday. Again, you need to register to the link, our events Zoom link, and then you can finish all the workshops 1 to 5, nasabi na natin kanina, and yung reward natin, bukod sa you will be eligible to be a certified associate financial planner, of course, you will get our beautiful workshop shirt. Okay? And then the partners training, iba't ibang community po dito sa atin sa IMG has their own schedules. For TRM, we have every every Friday. And then we also have the wealth creation system. If you want to be big in IMG, kailangan alam natin paano mag-create ng wealth at sumakay sa system. That's why it's WCS, Wealth Creation System. Meron tayong mga videos about that, but you can also register on our portal. Ayan, yung ating wealth creation system. And we also have more videos here in wealth creation system sa ating portal. Ayan. And then, Dominate Tools. Yan. Our powerful digital marketing tool here in IMG. Ayan, napakaswerte natin na meron na rin tayong naka-incorporate na tool like this. Our Dominate tool, you just need to open that. Napakadami po nating mga video tutorials in YouTube, and as well as dito sa ating videos na on demand dito sa ating IMG training. Ayan, sa resources. One of the best Dominate mentor is our Sir John Abud. Okay, so that is how to use our 30-day fast start checklist. You make it a habit. You have to start it on yourself, and then pag okay na tayo, you share it to your new members so that all together you will have the same mindset, you have the same goal, you will have the same path towards wealth creation and sharing it to other people. So if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Also like and share this video. Again, this is Coach Connie Osorio saying, God bless all of you, and claiming for your promotion here in IMG.